Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm going to show you essential keyboard shortcuts that you should be using if you are a Premiere Pro user. So without wasting much time, let's jump on it. The first keyboard shortcut that you should know is Ctrl N. What Ctrl N does is that it allows you to create a new sequence with ease. Once you click Ctrl N, it opens up the panel where you can easily create a new sequence. Now the next keyboard shortcut is Ctrl I. With Ctrl I, you can easily import your clip from your computer to Premiere Pro with ease as well. The next one is C. By clicking C on your keyboard, you highlight the eraser tool that allows you to make a cut. That brings us to the next one, which is Ctrl K. With Ctrl K, you can easily make a cut where your playhead is on your timeline. So once I click Ctrl K right now, it's gonna make a cut at exactly that point where my playhead is. But one thing to keep in mind is that before using the Ctrl K shortcut, you should select the actual clip that you want to cut. The next is Shift 5. What Shift 5 does is that it takes you to Effect Control. So by clicking Shift 5 on your keyboard, you're heading straight to Effect Control. The next is Shift 7. What Shift 7 does is that it takes you to Effects panel. So by clicking Shift 7, it opens up the Effect panel where you can choose your different effects depending on the project you're working on. The next one is plus and minus. By clicking the plus and minus sign on your keyboard, you either zoom in or zoom out your timeline. The next one, which I know that most people are already familiar with, is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C is to copy while Ctrl V is to paste. Next is the space bar. Once you hit the space bar, the clip starts to play. When you hit it again, it stops playing. So with your space bar, you can play and pause your clip. The next one is Shift Delete. Shift Delete allows you to do repo delete. Naturally, if I want to delete any part of this clip on my timeline, I would have just pressed the delete button or backspace to actually get rid of it. But using this method will leave me with an empty space that I have to right click and repo delete in order to bring it to where it is supposed to be. But Shift Delete allows me to do all of that once, as you can see. Also, Ctrl Z allows you to undo something. For example, if you're working on a project and you mistakenly deleted a clip or something, you can easily bring it back by clicking Ctrl Z. Then with Ctrl R, you can increase or reduce the speed of your clip. Naturally, if you wanted to do it without Ctrl R, you have to right click, then go to speed and duration. But with Ctrl R, you can do that very easily. Next, J allows you to rewind a clip. So by clicking J on your keyboard, you'll be able to rewind any clip just like you've seen on my screen. L, on the other hand, is to fast forward the clip and make it a bit faster. This is actually helpful when you're trying to scan through your work. Probably you're done editing and you just want to look through it to ensure that there's nothing missing. So you can just hit L on your keyboard to fast forward the clip. So those are basically the keyboard shortcuts that you should know. By regularly using this keyboard shortcut, you will be able to fast track your edit time and work more efficiently. So thank you for staying back. Do well to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.